Hi guys, now I'm gonna show you how to run web client under iis8. Okay, now I'm gonna show you something here like this. Now I open my Windows Server 2 in my VMware. Okay, now I want to test how what I installed or what I run uh, web client under iis8. Okay. So let's go and see here. I use Firefox. This is my mail. Okay, you can see. No, seems too slow because I run two server. Okay, wanna type www.smell.world client.com. So if we didn't set something, we have to type right here like this, point number 3000 here. So I don't want to do this. I just want to type only this, www.sml.worldclient.com, just only this. We need to type point 3000. So how to do this? I'm gonna show you. So let's see the result. Click enter. Wait a minute. Oh, it's too slow. Slowly. Just wait. Come on. It's too slow because I run two machines. Okay, you can see web client. We don't need to type port 3000. So I successfully installed or run it. Okay, now I'm gonna show you. Okay, now this machine I didn't run it yet. So we have to do something before we set some tool to run web client under iis or disable port number 3000. Okay, we go to server manager. Actually, Windows Server always open server manager when we start up server. Okay, now we go to add roles and feature. In this form, we have to read some instruction before we install some roles, but I don't need to read. Just click next, next again, and these are network adapter card IP address. I use this one at a head 10.0.201, and this two is not mine, and I didn't install them. I don't know why to. Okay, now click next. In this feature or roles, we have to take web server. Yes, it's very important because we have to run web client under it. Okay, take it, and pop-up will request us to add features, web server, management tool, and two iis management console. Okay, add features, and click next, and next again, next again. So here is very important. I want to show you. While installing iis or web server, we have to install FTP server 2, because if we didn't install it after we install web server or iis, we cannot install it again because it something already finished, so we cannot go back to install it. If we want to install FTP again, we have to uninstall web server, but in Windows Server 2012 it's very hard to uninstall web server, so we need to tick it first. Okay, FTP extensibility means that FTP can or is possible to run ASP.NET. Okay, we just take on it. And the other one is very important. We have to make our iis server be enable or possible to execute file like DLL or some extension that provide by iis8. Okay, I'm gonna go application development right here. Yes, we have to check on this two iis8 extension and iis8 filters. If we don't click on these two, we will not able to run web client under our iis. Because of what? Because of web client or web admin is the program that that run DLL to execute or some extension like WDM to execute some script. So iis8 make our iis web server to be able to run or execute script file. So we have to take on this too. Okay, now just click next. Next. Okay, this is some feature that we have ticked. It shows us right here. In this box, in this check box, if we want to check it, mean that after installation of iis, our server will restart. But I don't want it to restart after finish installation. Okay, just click install. Okay, now the installation is finished. So we just close this notification. Okay, close it. Okay, what we have to do is the refresh. I want to see my iis right here. Where notification. Okay, I'm gonna go to 2. Yes, right here. If we didn't install iis, we cannot go the 2 or internet information service 2 is not existing here. Okay, just click internet information service, click it. Yes, I close this one. Okay, now we start on this. Yes, if we didn't install or we didn't check on FTP, we cannot see this feature or see this feature here, because this feature is for for FTP, for file transfer protocol, and here is for our web server iis. Okay, this is the default website. default website, we can access to it by click on browse. This is 80 port number, okay, port number 80 and advanced. And now I'm gonna browse this website. Yes, first I have to go to our DNS that we've installed. Okay, come on. Yes, waiting cursor. Okay, right here to DNS. Just wait a minute. It seems too slow. What's wrong? This machine is not closed yet. What? Okay. This is the domain name that we built or we created or we made last week. Okay. Now I'm going to say yes. 10.0.201. Okay, now we have to access to this domain. So what will happen? Okay, go. I use Chrome. Stop it here. Okay, now just go to www. Oh my god, nothing happened. Okay, www.mail.com, and this port number 1000 for web admin. Okay, now I just want to go to default website. Okay, enter. So what happened? What's iis server 8? Okay, this is the iis server 8 default website for iis8. Okay, now what we want to do is that like this. Okay, for example, if we type www dot mail dot world client.com, and we're going to access to world client. Okay, just want to type only this. We don't want to include part number 3000. I'm sorry, 3000 like this. And okay, just want to only this domain name without including part number 3000, so we can access to world client too. Okay, now I'm gonna show you. Okay, first I have to remove the default website. Now I'm gonna show you how to to create a new application pools. New application pool. Application pool is very important that we have to execute or run script file of our website. Okay, add new application pool. Application pool. Okay, right click and add application pool. Go. So we name it application pool like world client. And something we have to do. Okay, right click on it after we add it. Advanced setting. Two things we have to set on our new application pool. Okay, for this, enable 32-bit application means that some application of mail server or undaemon mail server, it run under 22-bit, or they created it in a 32-bit application. So we have to change this to true. Okay, true. And identity we have to change to local system or local service is the same. We have to change to these two types. Now I choose local system. Okay, local system, and click OK. And then, so we have to change just to these two of our application pool. Okay, and then click OK. So what I'm going to do next, I'm gonna add a new website. Okay, add a new website. Site name world client. Okay, world client. And this is the application pool that we have to select, that we just created just a moment. Okay, world client, yes, here, and OK. Do not forget, change your application pool, because application pool is very important to execute or to allow some application to run under our web server or iis. Okay, and this is the physical path of our website file, where our website file store. Okay, now I'm gonna go to File Explorer. Yes, what we want is store a website or a website of world client. Okay, right, C, demand. Where's our world client? Is right here. Okay, world client is right here, so we just open, and then we have to execute some file here. Go to HTML. This is the full website of world client. Okay, we go to world client.dll extension. Okay, we have to do these two files. These two. Yeah. Now minimize. I'm going to browse our website. See, diamond and world client and HTML. So a whole website is right here. So we just use this folder, HTML folder. Okay, just click OK. Don't need to open any folder in here. Just click OK. And all unsigned, we choose the specific IP address of our DNS IP address. Okay, click on this one that we make it for our DNS. Okay, 10.0201. Okay, and click OK. Okay, now we have to do something about our world client website. In this site, we have to click on world client that we just create. Okay, now we go to default document, double click, and this is the default extension or default document that our website have to run, like a HTML, ASP, HTML, but we don't need to run this HTML file. We have to run the .dll to execute. We need not to run this HTML or ASP.NET or other. We have to run only DLL file, like right here. Yes, work client, because work client is the executable file. So we have to delete all of this. Okay, right click, remove, yes, remove, yes, remove, yes, and remove, yes, remove all, yes, and then we have to add new and new default document. So we have to find where is our default document. It's right here, web client.dll. Okay, if we do not remember, we just copy, okay, and paste it here, paste, okay. Now we have our default document of workclient.dll to execute or make it executable. Okay, now we have to go to our world client again, click on it, and we go to where handler mappings, double click. Right here we have to go to edit features permissions to make our feature or to make our DL file executable. Okay, right, click one, and these two permissions, read and script, are checked, and we have to check execute one. Okay, okay, and something available here. Okay, click okay, and then we have to edit our iis8. The important that like I reviewed you first about iis8. If we didn't install or check on the two iis8 extension and filters, if when we install a web server or IIS, we have to check the two of iis8 too. So if we didn't check the two of it, we cannot see this right here. So we cannot run web client or web admin under IIS. So it's very important. Okay, now right click and edit it. This is the default request path or the default our DLL file. Okay, this is the module. Module is code to run our DLL file. Okay, executable file. We have to browse. Where is our executable file? We have to browse our DLL here. Okay, it's not right here. Go to mdaemon, world client, HTML, right here. Okay, we have to browse this file to be executable. Okay, open or double click. Just click open, and the name is just the same of our executable file. Paste. I'm sorry, I just copy and paste it here. Okay, do not forget request restriction. Okay, click. Okay, verb or verbs. Make sure that you tick on it and access execute. Okay, because our file is executable DLL. Or we can choose script. Yes, also. Okay, yes, we want to allow this iis8 extension. Okay, if allow, we click yes. Okay, now and the other one, we have to add a scripme. Okay, we have to run the no, because when web client start, we have to log in. Okay, so the login file or script file that uh, allow us to log into work client is right here. Okay, it's right here. MD sign ml.dll. It will allow us to sign in or to log in to work client, and this one just run the website, and this one allow us to sign in to log in to work client. Okay, so we have to do over this one. Okay, we have to click on add script mate. Okay, request pass. No, we're gonna browse. Oh, okay, right here, work client and HTML. Yes, it's right here. Yeah. Okay, open. Request path. Just copy and paste it here, and name the same. Paste it here. Request restriction, access, execute. Okay, and okay. Yes. Okay. Okay. And then we're gonna test it. Now, okay, let's go and start our first web client. What loading here? There's no anything to load. www.mail.world. Oh, I'm sorry. We just changed this. This one. Okay. Now I have to change DNS. Okay, domain name. I delete it. Okay, because I want to create want to create a new domain name. Okay, add new zone. Next, primary zone. Zone name. Mail. Dot. World. Client.com. Okay. Next. On this step, if you have already created a domain name, you don't have to change this, but I just want to change my own domain name to new, like workclient.com. Okay. Next. Finish. And reverse lookup option. Oh, I have to delete this. Okay, delete. And new zone. Okay, primary zone, IPv4, and we have to type our IP address 10, 0, and 200. Okay, do not forget it. Next, finish. Okay, want to add a pointer to point where is our domain name for reverse lookup. This will reverse lookup option. Okay, browse our server name. Double click forward lookup option. Mail.world client. Okay. Sorry. Cancel. I didn't create a local host, so I have to create an a local host. Okay, like a www and the IP address 10 200. I'm sorry. 201. Okay, add host. Okay, done. And go to create a new pointer. Yes, it's right here. Also IP address is not. Just like, okay, not one. Also IP address. Okay, it's not. Sorry. It's not cancel. What? Sorry. Yes. Okay, it's right here. Go click. Okay, now we point at it. Okay. Okay, now we have a domain name that we can access to our world client. Okay. Just minimize. To run world client, make sure that we allow world client run under the external web server or patch. Go here and this web server, and we check on here. World client runs using external web server. Okay, so mean that we disable port number 3000. Okay, we apply right here. Now let's go www.mail.worldclient.com. Go. What's the pen? Come on. Yes, world client is right here. Come on. Okay. Yes, we successfully access to or run world client under iis. Okay. Yeah. Now I want to run web admin under iis2, but it take a long time, so I just want to. Okay, now I want to test mail server with our world client. How does it work? Okay, how does it work? How does it work? Okay, I go to my account manager. This is my account, my admin. Okay, now I will log into world client by using this this email. Okay, go on world client. My email somebody at gmail.com. Okay, and password 1234. Okay, sign in. Is it accessible? Oh, sorry, incorrect password. So I'm going to change my password. Oh, I'm sorry. Cancel. Account manager. Edit. Yes, very long password. Just 1234 and 1234. Apply. Oh, I'm sorry, I forget disabling a strong password. Cancel. Okay. We have to disable the strong password required here. Go to account and account option and password. Yes, we just disable this by uncheck it. Okay, uncheck and apply. Okay, and go to account again and account manager and my admin account and edit. And okay, I'm gonna change 1, 2, 3, 4, and the same 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and apply. Okay, your changes have been saved. Okay. go to our web client side, smbot at gmail.com, and password 1234. Sign in. Wait. Yes, loading. Right here we can access to our web client by without typing part number 3000. Okay, now we successfully install. Now we successfully run web client under the iis8. Okay, so you can do this easily. And the next video I will show you how to run web admin under iis8 too. Okay, I'm gonna stop this video. Okay, thanks for watching. See you later.